Good evening, guys. Today, la 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 la. And today, I want to show you how I usually prepare my samosas. Homemade samosas, fresh, made by me. So, I have 2 medium red onions, and I have beef. Then I have my coriander. Oh, this is it. Fry those onions until they get brown.
A few moments later.
So let me just add some black pepper and then let the meat fry again until it's brown. Meanwhile, I will be preparing this for the vegetarian, the ones who love vegetables, like me. So we shall be eating this. I just warm that here. So we're ready to make the pockets. So this is our vegetarian samosas, and this are our beef samosas. And I want just to show you how to fold them. Like, how do you make the pockets? Yeah. So you have this here. First of all, you fold into half. Yeah. Make sure it's very straight. Then fold again into half. Yeah, fold again into half and take your solution here, flour solution with water, and add, and then fold again until the end. Add the solution again and stick it together. Then you open it up, and Sadon will put the fillings. Fill them up. Fill them up. So these are the samosas, the beef ones and the vegetable ones here. What you're seeing here is the remainder of the packet that I had opened. Usually it has 40 of them. So I usually store them here for them to stay fresh and softer. To freeze. So samosas are ready. So you could eat with kachumbari or some nice sauce. Delicious food.
Nice samosas. Every time delicious.
Oh.